This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marnell Hyacint. Discover your perfect retreat in this stunning 2,700 plus square feet pool home, nestled in a quiet and desirable community with convenient access to major highways. This spacious residence features an open floor plan ideal for comfortable living and entertaining. Step outside to your resort-style backyard with screened-in patio and sparkling saltwater pool, with pool maintenance included in the rent, so you can relax and enjoy without the hassle. Sitting on a premium conservation lot, the home offers no rear neighbors and fenced sides for exceptional privacy, making your backyard feel like a peaceful oasis. Inside, you'll find newly updated premium vinyl flooring, a versatile study/den, and a charming breakfast nook with tranquil views of the pool and greenery. The luxurious master suite boasts 2 spacious walk-in closets, including one that has been recently customized for enhanced organization. Additional perks include a water softener system and lawn maintenance included in the rent, giving you even more convenience and value. A beautiful, private, and well-maintained pool home like this doesn't come around often. Make it yours today. Note: tenants required to go through approval process, which includes but not limited to a background and proof of income.